this old Vuaxhall key, this one's quite difficult to do really without sticking a screwdriver through your hand. The best way to do it is hold the blade, put your screwdriver in there and turn. Open it up like so. That's where the spring holds the battery in place. It's a CR2032, goes back in the same way, the plus side down, you see the plus there, put the battery in, press it against the spring, clip it under the retainer, and then put the key back together. So that's, I mean, it really is, it's quite a difficult thing to do, and I imagine somebody who's doing this full time will have a few scars on his fingers.